having the data all in one spot and not having to have a re-entry and that kind of a thing means we can get our financial reports done faster. We've actually been able to do a weekly roll-up, which is a new kind of thing we didn't have prior to OmegaCube. We used to do monthly financial statements. That would be typically 15 days after the month. So then at that point, we're dealing with up to 45-day-old information from a financial perspective. With OmegaCube, we've been able to get our systems aligned to be able to run like miniature financial statements every week. We call it a financial roll-up or a weekly scorecard, depending on we have two different meetings actually that we use that information in. But then we know from a week to week, we're only like a week trailing financial data from OmegaCube. So that's actually been really, really great. And our financial reporting after month end has gone a lot faster. So instead of finishing a month end 2 weeks later, we're at the point where about a week after the month end that we have it all buttoned up and closed.